Hello and welcome back. My name is Nicole Binder and I am the Director of Assessment and Accountability. Following is a brief overview of an impending transition in testing at grades 1 and 2. To begin, every spring the assessment staff analyze testing data to ensure the measure is acting as it should and the results are valid and reliable. While the SAT-10 results are valid for the intent of the test, there has been conversation regarding the movement to a standards-based versus norm-referenced measure. Therefore, a mini survey went out at the start of the summer. And after going through all of the comments, we are now left with the following question. What are our options at grades 1 and 2 for testing and instruction? To take into account where we are and where we want to go, we must start with what the options are. First, we must decide what measure we want to use for first and second graders. Do we stay with SAT-10 or move to one of the three comparable computer-based platforms, iReady, iStation, or AimsWeb? Let's take a look at the differences with SAT-10 and a computer-based option. As you know, SAT-10 is a norm reference test. The norms were established in 2007, which means the comparison to the nation is from what first and second graders could do in 2007. SAT-10 is not standards-based. It is a measure designed to test what students are expected to know at any given grade level, and then students are ranked among their peers. SAT-10 is a paper-pencil test that is given once a year, and only two of the subtests are used, reading comprehension and mathematics problem solving. The results are not specifically tied back to gaps in learning. The available platforms, including iReady, iStation, and AimsWeb, are criterion-referenced assessments, which are standards-based. All three platforms provide assessments which are specifically tied to curriculum and can highlight gaps throughout the year to guide instruction. These are computer-based and are given 3 times a year for AimsWeb and iReady or monthly for iStation. As you can see by this chart, these computer-based programs have much to offer. If we as a district entered into an agreement with these vendors, we would be looking at kindergarten, first, and second grade, and potentially grades 3 through 5 to get a seamless picture of our students throughout elementary school. We are definitely looking at the programs for curriculum and testing. We are doing so to find something that can provide better supports using the content and outcomes within a platform. These supports can be used to guide instructional practice, help with getting data for the RTI and MTSS processes, and can reinforce good teaching. We have also created a one-page pro and con list for these three platforms to provide additional information for you. Next steps. If you would like to leave feedback, please do so. The link is shown here. We will be making a decision rather quickly regarding testing at grades 1 and 2. We would love to have the school's overall response regarding the following. Do we keep SAT-10? Yes or no? If you choose no, what product would the school support moving to? AimsWeb, iReady, or iStation? Again, this is one response per school. We greatly appreciate all you do each and every day for Hillsborough County Public School students, and I wish you the best school year ever.